welcome back everybody to Texas Throwdown 2021. There's a lot of cars here today, but this one caught our eye from all the way across the park. This is Sabrina Saffel. She's over here with her Volkswagen. Actually, I'm gonna let her talk about it. This is her baby. I'm just gonna sit here and hold the mic. I'm gonna be the mic stand.
Well, again, my name's Sabrina. I came to the show 22 hours, drove straight from Las Vegas, Nevada. Had this particular car for about 3 years, but I've been in Volkswagens my whole life. My dad was from Texas, so this show was one that was on my hit list since the beginning. This particular Volkswagen, I have got 3 of them. This one's a 1968 Volkswagen Type 3 Squareback. So, just so that you know, there are 3 different models of Type 3s. The Squareback is the wagon. The fastback has the slope, I own that one, and then a notchback, and my husband owns a notch.
You just got all the ones you got, you know.
It's been my life's dream to own all 3 Type 3s, so now it's kind of come true. This one is my baby now.
I love the concept, the purple and the fighting and the bazooka. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
When we ended up with a purple car, we decided we had to go a little bit wild, and...
Well, carsgowild.com.
Exactly. The best part was one night my husband and I were watching TV and we decided to watch Hit Girl and Kick Ass. And we watched all the movies straight in a row and we both looked at each other and said, Hit Girl, that's it, we have to do it. So one night, the next morning we woke up, we went to Home Depot, we started putting together bazookas. Everybody thought we were terrorists walking around Home Depot. But
Because of your beard?
Because we were building bazookas. Good times though. After we got the car, my other cars are classics. This one is still a classic, but we decided she needed to be a little bit wild and adjustable.
Of course, you got to have that wild streak. You know?
Yeah. So we went with the narrowed beam in the front. It's got a single bag set up that's right down where the wheel well section is. You can see that. And then in the back, it's got a double bag section with 2-inch drop spindles. Custom motor.
Tell us about that.
1835.
You're gonna have to tell us about everything on this. Car's got so much, guys. If you look at this car and you don't see something you like, you just don't like anything.
So full custom interior, purple and white. Eventually we're gonna do some paint schemes on it as well. The motor is 1835, custom everything. We went ahead and switched to an alternator instead of a generator, made the car run so much better. Got a Freeway Flyer transmission, and to be honest, she flies.
Tell us a little bit about your setup here, because this looks amazing. I like the intricate work that you've done here. The stereo system. Does this thing get AM?
That comes standard still.
Well, you said it was modified. I didn't know if you went wild and went FM, you know, with all the cool kids.
I had to. And of course, it's got the full dual carb setup. Everything that we could powder coat, we powder coated, redid, even wrapped the exhaust pipes. Not that you can see them because they're too low on the ground.
This looks amazing. I love every detail you've got on here, every single one.
Well, and you had to get, you know, the comics and that kind of stuff. You had to bring it out because most people don't even know that Hit Girl was comics before it was movies.
Hollywood is that way. I love the picture of the original of how the car was. That's amazing.
Isn't it?
It's a rebirth.
And it really was. Even we bought it half done maybe. It had the interior done and whatnot, and we just went nuts from there. Like I said, once you have something as loud as purple, you just have to go crazy.
Purple's my daughter's favorite color. That and all the ones in the rainbow. It's only 7.
Well, and honestly, that's my favorite part, is watching the kids walk up and look at stuff, and the little girls and the boys, and I even let some of them play with, you know, some of the costumes and stuff just because they're just so adorable.
I love everything. Where did you do this all yourself?
My husband and I have done most of it ourselves. A big car garage, and we're getting ready to put in a stacker because we have too many Volkswagens and motorcycles.
I hate your life. I hate it. I'm envious.
Well, and then the other noteworthy thing, of course, is I'm in Freaks of Nature. I've been in it with my classic Volkswagen for years. Freaks of Nature is a mini truck club.
Okay.
So one, I'm a woman in the mini truck world. Two, I started in the mini.
You're not the only one. That's important. We're growing every day. My girl needs heroes.
Exactly. And about 20 years ago, it wasn't really acceptable to have a Volkswagen in a mini truck club, but I did it, and it's amazing. And so when I got another one, I decided it needed to be on air, and it needed to fit the name.
My biggest motivator in life is no, you can't do that. Well, watch me.
Yeah, that's my biggest motivator as well.
This is amazing. All right, that's it for us right now. I'm with Sabrina Saffel with her Volkswagen here. That's a Hit Girl. It's an amazing car. If you haven't seen it, you should check it out and just rewind and you can see what we just saw. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, the Showtime, HBO, hopefully when we get there soon. And till then, see you later. Bye.